Welcome to my step-by-step buyer's guide where I will be giving you a detailed breakdown of each and every step of the buying process from beginning to middle to end and even beyond. After watching these videos, you will become empowered to confidently embark on the journey into this new chapter of your life, a journey that is very likely going to be an extremely nerve-wracking and stressful one. Let's just talk about moving in general. Don't wish it upon my worst enemy. Slap a hefty down payment on top of that, and boy, have we found ourselves in a pickle. But fear not, we will go through everything, all of the potential pitfalls, how to properly prep, how to properly do everything. And when all is said and done, you will be able to rest assured that you have made all of the right decisions along the way. Having a vision for the future is very powerful, but knowing all the steps that it takes to get there is empowering. So whether you are a first-time buyer or a last-time buyer, you are in the right place. Without further ado, here are the 7 steps to purchasing a home. Enjoy.